In this short video tutorial, we'll understand how to access the current time of the system on which you are writing code or on the system on which your program will be running. So in C Sharp, we have the date time structure using which we can access the current date as well as the time of the system. So the date time structure has a property called now. So if you use the dot operator with the datetime structure, you will notice that there is a property called now. So this now property gives you the date as well as the time which is currently on the system on which we are working. So the now property, if you use the dot operator with the now property, you will notice that there is another property called time of day. So this time of day property will give us the current time on the system on which we are working right now. So let's print the time of day. Let's print the time of day using the console.writeLine function. So if I run this program, you will notice that on the console window, the current time of my system has been printed. So the time has been printed in hours, minutes, seconds, and further in milliseconds. So let me stop this program. So by making use of the time of day property, you can get the current time of the system. Now, instead of time of day, you can also use the to long time function with the now property. This long time function will give us the time but in a longer string format. To see how it works, let me run the program and notice that now the time has been printed as 11:30 57 and with PM. So AN and PM, this is how the long time string function will format the time. So with this, I hope you have understood how to access the current time of the system by making use of the datetime structure in C Sharp. So with this, we'll end this short video tutorial here. For more free C Sharp learning content, please visit openeschool.com/learn C Sharp. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we add. Thank you.